The cosmos is a tapestry of wonders, ever expanding, always evolving. Here on Earth, human ingenuity constantly pushes the boundaries of possibility. From the depths of the oceans to the vastness of space, we seek to explore and innovate. Today, that spirit brings us a revolutionary concept, a new dawn for personal hygiene. Imagine bathing transformed into an efficient, personalized, and enjoyable experience. This is the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki, Japan's AI-powered human washing machine. Cleanliness is woven into human history. For millennia, we have sought ways to purify our bodies. The Mirai Ningen Sentakuki stands as a testament to our drive to improve our lives. It's a future where technology enhances our well-being. Join me as we explore this technological marvel and its potential to redefine personal hygiene. This is more than just a machine. It's a glimpse into a world where technology empowers us. In the heart of Osaka, Japan, a team of brilliant engineers and scientists have given birth to a marvel of modern technology, the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki, which translates to future human washing machine. This isn't your typical household appliance. It's a sophisticated fusion of artificial intelligence and advanced engineering designed to revolutionize the way we approach personal hygiene. Encased in a sleek, futuristic pod, the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki resembles something straight out of a science fiction film. Its transparent cover provides a glimpse into the intricate workings within, while its ergonomic design promises comfort and efficiency. But the true beauty of this invention lies beneath the surface, in the intricate dance of technology that powers this revolutionary machine. This is not merely a machine. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of our relentless pursuit of progress. The Mirai Ningen Sentakuki embodies the spirit of innovation that drives us forward, constantly seeking new ways to improve and enhance our lives. It's a beacon of a future where technology seamlessly integrates with our daily routines, making them not just easier, but also more enjoyable. The Mirai Ningen Sentakuki operates on a symphony of scientific principles, a testament to the power of human ingenuity. At its core lies an advanced AI system, the brain of the operation, which analyzes your body upon entry. It considers your height, weight, and even your current body temperature to calibrate a personalized cleaning cycle. Imagine stepping into the spacious pod. The transparent cover gently closes, sealing you within its high-tech cocoon. As you sit comfortably, the machine whirs to life and warm water begins to fill the chamber. But this is no ordinary bath. This is where the magic of technology unfolds. High-speed water jets, strategically placed throughout the pod, target key areas of your body, delivering a precise and invigorating cleanse. These jets work in harmony with millions of microscopic air bubbles, gently exfoliating your skin and removing impurities with a thoroughness no traditional shower could match. The seeds of inspiration for the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki were sown decades ago in the land of the rising sun. At the 1970 Osaka World Expo, Sanyo Electric unveiled an automated bathing machine concept. This early prototype planted the seed for the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki. Today, its design pays homage to its futuristic origins. The sleek, capsule-like design evokes images of spacecraft. The transparent cover allows the AI to monitor vital signs. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and easy integration into small spaces. This machine is designed for a future where technology enhances our lives. Section 5. A glimpse into the future at Osaka Kansai Expo. The world held its breath as the curtains rose at the Osaka Kansai Expo. Amongst a dazzling array of cutting-edge technology, the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki stood out, not just for its sleek design, but for the promise it held, a glimpse into the future of personal hygiene. The Expo, a melting pot of ideas and innovation, provided the perfect stage for this revolutionary invention to make its grand debut. Excitement crackled in the air as attendees eagerly lined up, eager for a chance to experience the future firsthand. The lucky few chosen to experience the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki emerged from the pod with wide smiles and stories of a truly unique experience. The machine, with its personalized settings and efficient cleaning process, had clearly made an impact, leaving its users feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and thoroughly impressed. The buzz surrounding the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki extended far beyond the walls of the Expo, captivating the attention of media outlets worldwide. News of this technological marvel spread like wildfire, igniting imaginations and sparking conversations about the future of personal hygiene. It was clear that the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki had struck a chord with the public, leaving an indelible mark on all who encountered it. Section 6. The people speak, public reception and feedback. The initial public response to the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki has been overwhelmingly positive. People from all walks of life, united by a shared curiosity for the future, have embraced this revolutionary invention with open arms. The overwhelming sentiment echoes a sense of awe and wonder, a recognition that this is not just a new product, but a glimpse into a future that seems both exciting and inevitable. Many who have experienced the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki firsthand praise its efficiency. In a world where time is precious, the ability to achieve a thorough and refreshing cleanse in a matter of minutes is a game changer. Busy professionals, athletes and parents alike have all expressed their enthusiasm for how this machine could simplify their daily routines, freeing up valuable time for the things that matter most. Of course, no technological advancement is without its critics. Some have expressed concerns about the transparency of the pod, questioning its implications for privacy. The creators of the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki have been quick to address these concerns, assuring the public that privacy is paramount. They emphasize that the transparent cover is optional, and users can choose from a range of privacy settings, ensuring their comfort and peace of mind. Section 7. Redefining clean implications for personal hygiene. The Mirai Ningen Sentakuki is more than just a technological marvel. It's a catalyst for change, poised to redefine our very relationship with personal hygiene. This is not just about getting clean. It's about integrating technology seamlessly into our lives to enhance our well-being and create a more sustainable future. Imagine a world where the daily ritual of bathing is no longer a chore, but a spa-like experience, a moment of tranquility in our hectic lives. The Mirai Ningen Sentakuki offers precisely that, a personalized, efficient, and enjoyable cleanse that leaves you feeling refreshed and revitalized. The implications extend far beyond individual well-being. In a world grappling with climate change and resource scarcity, the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki offers a more sustainable way to maintain personal hygiene. Its efficient use of water and energy consumption aligns perfectly with the global push for eco-conscious living, making it a responsible choice for the environmentally conscious consumer. Section 8. The future is here. Envisioning a world with Mirai. As we stand on the precipice of this technological revolution, it's impossible not to feel a surge of excitement for what the future holds. The Mirai Ningen Sentakuki is not merely a product, it's a harbinger of a future where technology is seamlessly integrated into our lives, enhancing our comfort, efficiency, and well-being. Imagine a world where the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki is not a novelty, but a common fixture in homes, gyms, and even workplaces. Picture a future where personalized hygiene is the norm, where our daily routines are not just easier but more enjoyable. This is the future that this technology hints at, a future where the line between science fiction and reality continues to blur. The journey towards this future has already begun. As the Mirai Ningen Sentakuki makes its way from the Expo floor to the consumer market, it carries with it the potential to revolutionize personal hygiene. This is not just about cleaner bodies. It's about a cleaner, more sustainable, and more efficient future for all. Section 9. A revolution in the making. The universe is filled with mysteries, with endless possibilities waiting to be explored. Here on Earth, the human spirit of innovation burns brighter than ever, fueled by a relentless pursuit of progress. The Mirai Ningen Sentakuki, with its fusion of cutting-edge technology and human-centered design, exemplifies this spirit. It's a testament to our ability to push boundaries, to challenge conventions, and to shape the future in our image. This is not just a machine. It's a revolution in the making. It's a revolution in the way we approach personal hygiene, in the way we interact with technology, and in the way we envision the future. The Mirai Ningen Sentakuki is not just about getting clean. It's about embracing innovation, about creating a world where technology serves humanity, making our lives easier, more efficient, and more fulfilling. As we venture further into the 21st century, let us embrace the spirit of innovation that burns within us. Let us continue to explore, to dream, and to create, for it is in the pursuit of progress that we unlock our true potential. The Mirai Ningen Sentakuki is a shining example of what we can achieve when we dare to dream big. a testament to the boundless possibilities that lie ahead.